Welcome back. What we're going to do now is we're going to go into our advanced options and we're going to set up some of the administrative elements that we will need in order to create a product using Wishlist Member. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our error pages. Basically, what you want to do here is you want to configure a page so that when non-members attempt to access certain content, that they are shown a particular page or menu. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click Configure. And what we can do is we can direct someone to a specific page, we can direct them to a specific URL, or we can show them a message. Now again, this is a good place for you to put a page where you're going to have the actual offer that someone can click on in order to become part of your membership. Or if you want to direct them to the sales page, you can do that here by using this URL area. We're going to continue to use the message and click Save and Close. You can also configure the wrong membership level. And again, you have all of the same elements that you can use in this case. We can continue to use the message, or we can direct someone to a particular page or a specific URL. What we're going to do is click Save and Close. You're also going to be able to configure a message when an individual cancels their membership, or if for some reason their membership is canceled automatically. Once again, you have a page or URL option. You can then click Save and Close. And then you have a very similar message here. You can have a membership expired message which you can configure. And again, you can change this message. You can also send people to a specific page or URL. Now, one element that is not enabled by default is that you can, on this product, prevent a duplicate shopping cart registration. However, you will need to enable this feature. You can then configure the message. And once again, you have the same choices here. We're then going to click Save and Close. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.